Click on New Project, Upload Image, go to where you downloaded your image, and double click on that image. Then Upload, click on Image, and add that image to the canvas. Next, select the image and click on Group. Click on Happy Anniversary and change the operation to pen. Then click back on Happy Anniversary, press the Shift key, and while holding the Shift key, select the card and then hit Attach. Next, click on Images and insert the score line. Drag the image to the center of the card and fit accordingly. You can select the entire card and then select Align Center vertically. That way you know the score line is in the center. Then select the score line, hold the Shift key down and select the card. Then hit Attach. If you want to change the color of the card, click on the basic cut image on the right and then pick your color. If you want to add an envelope to this card, click on Images and type in Envelope. Select the envelope that you want to use and then add to canvas. Follow these steps to size your envelope to the card. To change the color of the card, click on the basic cut image on the right hand side and then choose the color you want your card to be. In order to manipulate the envelope size to what you need, you will first need to click on the padlock image and then change the padlock to unlock. You'll want to adjust the envelope size so inside the score lines of the envelope match the insert card. I changed the color of the card insert to white to make it more visible. Then after moving the insert card behind the envelope, I clicked on Arrange and moved the insert card image to front. That way I can manipulate the size for each. Then I changed the insert card back to the color of my choice and now we're ready to hit Make It. Next, I clicked on Continue. Then browse all material and selected cardstock. After placing the cardstock on the mat, I used tape on the four corners to secure the paper to the mat. For the first pass, I replaced the fine point tool with a scoring tool and I inserted a Cricut pen. Then you'll go ahead and click the Cricut button. Cricut Design Space will let you know when to change the scoring tool back to a fine point tool. Now we're ready to remove the paper from the mat, and I like to turn the mat upside down and peel the cardstock back. Now we're repeating the same process with putting the cardstock on the mat and inserting the score tool, and then Cricut Design Space will let you know when to switch the score tool back to the fine point tool, and that's it. To fold the card, you just fold it on the score line, and then after that you'll want to insert the pink card insert inside. For the envelope, all you need to do is just fold on the score lines and go ahead and just place some glue on the corners and attach it, and that's it. It's super easy.